So throughout my life, I've really tried to live what I preach, and I hope that will inspire you today. If you are the only person with that skill set available right now to do this project, and the client needs someone yesterday, got a lot of bargaining power. And don't be shy. I would just be like, how much do you charge? How much did you earn? And the worst that someone can say is like, oh, I don't feel comfortable discussing it. And then I'm like, okay, cool. Move on. Your silence after you drop that number is your power. Do not discount it. Do not fill in the blanks. Do not fill in the awkward silence with more words. Just drop the mic and wait. Negotiation is only over when you agree it is. It might be over in this moment of time, but I will revisit this conversation in 3 months, 6 months, 12 months when you have a new budget and see if you're ready to work together. So yeah, final thing to say really is just to give yourselves a round of applause. I hope you keep doing this, and I'll just hang around for questions.